What we have here is a new soap and bath bomb kit by Craft Evolved. In today's episode, we will be making double layer handmade soap. When making homemade soap, the main ingredient is a soap base. In our kit we have two types of soap base: clear soap base and white soap base. We will see a difference between them in a moment. We are starting the soap making process by filling up the measuring cup with a clear soap base. In this case, the soap base is shaped like French fries and has a texture like hardened coconut oil. Anyways, in order to be able to work with the soap base, you will need to warm it up in a microwave. And this is how the soap base looks like after a short warm up in a microwave. The soap base turns into liquid. We will be working with the soap base while in a liquid state. This is the time when you can add coloring or essential oils for a nice smell. For a clear soap base, you should try adding white sparkling glitter and leave the coloring for the white soap base. Do not use all glitter at once. About a third of a teaspoon should be enough. Stir the soap base evenly. For soap making, we will be using a blue soft silicone mold. The white hard mold in the upper right corner is for bath bombs, which we will be making shortly. Go ahead and fill up about a third of the mold with a clear soap base and let it cool off. Now it's time to prepare the white soap base. The consistency of white soap base is the same as a clear soap base, the only difference is color. White soap base, as the name is telling us, has a milky, white, non-transparent color. Once the clear soap base in a mold has rested for about 30 minutes, we can go ahead and warm the white soap base and continue working on our double layer handmade soaps. No need for the soap base to be hot. Warm is enough for the soap base to turn into liquid, just like natural coconut oil. 10 to 15 seconds in a microwave should be enough, depending on the strength of your microwave. Under any circumstances, please do not heat up the soap base using an open fire. If you heat up a soap base too much, it will form a foam like hot milk and will run out of a cup. So watch out closely what is your soap base doing in the microwave to avoid small accidents. The first step is to add coloring of your choice. I want to have a color variety, so I make sure to use different colors for each cup. Because I am using multiple colors, I did not fill each cup all the way up. No more than a half of a cup should be enough if you are crafting along with me. Next, Add the essential oil of your choice for a nice scent. Depends on your personal preference, how strong the scent you are after, but generally 5 to 10 drops of oil should be enough. Again, to have a variety of different scents, I will use different essential oil for each cup. It is worth mentioning at this point that soap base can be either synthetic or plant-based. Kraft Evolved soap base is natural plant base. The link to the kit will be in the description below this video. Before you pour the soap into the mold, don't forget to stir the soap base to make sure the scent and coloring are evenly distributed. When you are ready, pour the white soap base on the top of the cooled clear soap base. The two layers will not mix together. The soap will have a nice, clear separation of colors, which will be visible from the side. The colored soap base will be seen through the clear soap base with sparkling glitter. It will be a beautiful effect. Now let the soap base rest for about 30 minutes till it becomes solid again. Let's take a look if our soap has cooled off already. Simply press out the soap out of the mold. The soap will not stick to the silicone surface, so once the soap is solid, it will come out of the mold very easily. Even though the soap mold has a lot of details, you will not break the soap when taking it out. The silicone mold is very soft and will not damage the soap curves. Take a look at the sparkling effect the white glitter has on the soap. I believe we can call this soap finished as it is. Very simple, sparkly, elegant. If you have any comments, suggestions, please leave me a message in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.